not having fun?
Dom is not born in the winter time. He hates this right now.
Say yeah! This is not working. Don't. Corner, how you fall? You jackass.
I'm a phony man.
Cold on these streets, son.
Is this bitter in our one?
Hey, Papa!
Corner!
Hey,
Corner!
Mama.
Smoking my lungs, I won't disguise this place. Sound travels through me as I twist on my face.
We're back inside. It was cold out there.
I'm gonna take my hair down soon because me and Nico doing a photo shoot with our fur hats.
Oh my god, your thingy, your bonnet's wet and it's freezing. Yeah. It's still snowing like crazy.
Oh my gosh.
I want to go back out later though.
Yeah, when it's not
windy.
so snowy and stuff, because Dom didn't like it.
Hey vlog.
Dominic, go back to Naya.
Kwana took a nap. Dominic's being a bad boy. I'm still doing my makeup. Kwana, wanna have anything to say to the vlog?
There's nothing wrong with you practicing makeup in your house.
Okay. Check it out. Oh guys, I'm not like into makeup like Kwana. I'm not the best at it either. But I think I'm pretty good.
You are. You're pretty good. You do a pretty good job.
I mean,
And you have great skin, so it's honestly just easy. Just notes over your face.
I watch tutorials and such, but
Where's
I
the
feel like
camera?
why
Where are you vlogging from?
I feel like
Hey, vlog.
why watch tutorials when I have a makeup artist right in my home? That's what I feel. Alright, vlog. Finished my makeup. Kwana's finished hers as well. This is the fuzzy hat she bought us. I forgot the website.
Right now. I'm
Fuck.
back. I can't have your little ugly voice in my vlog.
But I did my makeup. Kwana did my eyebrows for me, but I did my rest of my face. Did a pretty good job. This lippies from this friggin' place in New Jersey we went to. I can't remember anything right now. I don't know. Beautiful. Ain't even a word for her, guys.
Oh, don't do that to me now.
You put the gold thingy on your cheek? Yeah. You know.
You're just this is a gorgeous. This is what I'm talking
Yeah.
about. But
Yo, we look different but alike. You're so beautiful. I can't take it. Just the makeup. She literally took like
Nah, but y'all gotta hear what
the
Nika wanted us
longest.
to do.
okay.
Nika wanted us to, cause it's snowing and the fur hat. She wanted us to go outside in the snow with our jackets and the fur. Like,
Tell me that's not a good idea though.
this is what I was gonna do in the first picture.
Now checking out. I just love my face right now. Honestly, I can't. I don't want to end the video. Now let me stop.
Let me see.
So yeah, our picture's coming out pretty good. We're trying to take more. Naya's a hater, so she won't take our pictures for us.
I want to eat those donuts so bad, but I cannot mess up the lip gloss color.
Do y'all see this fucking glow though?
Nika is like taking pictures and she's like,
You set your face so good. And I'm like, thanks. So, we're gonna try to take some better pictures because,
we have really good ones on my phone.
yeah, I'm so pissed off.
Just you know.
Check it out.
Hurry up, so watch this movie.
I'm tired. It's about time to go to sleep.
I'm going to fix the drum thumper.
We tried to vlog as much as we can today. I hope you guys like what we have.
We might add tomorrow. Do you want to add tomorrow? We might just add tomorrow because it's like a whole snowstorm vlog, blizzard vlog. Papa Didi's still here turning up. Say yeah! And that's it. Hey vlog, welcome to Cooking with Life is Twins part 2. Nick was making French toast, so I'll be under the sidelines and just recording her what she's doing because I really don't know at all how to do this. And I guess she's gonna teach me so I can, you know, make it for my sugar daddy. Okay guys, so we're gonna check out and then we're gonna check back in when Nico starts putting the ingredients in the bowl and stuff. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. So we're about to start. Let's get it popping. Ooh, that's good, right? Say yeah. He's tired. Say nice. Alright vlog, so I finished my French toast. They're pretty cool. I put some like powdered sugar on it. You can't really, I should have made Quanta record me putting it on, but she's playing with Dom. I'm gonna show you guys better. Just chilling with the laptop out here. That just turned off. I don't know why. But yeah. Here's Quanta and Papa Didi eating my French toast. How you guys like it? It's really nice. Say nice. Yeah. It's my first. My individuals, but yeah, me and Quanta's pics came out dope. I like them all. Yeah. This one's nice, right? Yeah, I like this one. These are my solos. Yeah. Checking out Quanta's solos. Nice. It's a video we made. So yeah. Oh, it explains what we're doing today. The smoothie challenge. We did not want to do this.